In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my cart on Dressx. To get started, open the official Dressx store in your web browser. Once you're on the site, you can take a moment to browse the available digital fashion items. This is helpful if you haven't added anything yet, or if you just want to confirm what's currently available before checking your cart. If you already have a Dressx account, go ahead and sign in before shopping. Being signed in helps make sure your selections are saved properly and connected to your account. That way, when you open your cart, you'll be able to view the items you've chosen without any confusion. Next, browse through the store and choose the digital fashion item you want. When you find something interesting, open the product page so you can review the item details more carefully. This is a good point to make sure you're selecting the correct item and purchase option before adding it to your cart. Once you're ready, select the available purchase option and click the Add to Cart button, or whichever button the site uses for adding the item. After that, the item should be saved to your shopping cart. Now, to check your cart, look for the cart or shopping bag icon on the Dressx website and click it. This will take you to the My Cart page, which is where you can review all the items you've selected. This page is the main place to confirm what you're planning to purchase. When your cart opens, review the items carefully. Check the product names, the quantity of each item, and the listed prices. This helps you make sure everything in your cart is correct before moving forward. If you accidentally added the wrong item or no longer want something, use the remove or delete option available in the cart to take it out. You should also look over the total section of the cart. Review the subtotal and check for any discounts or additional charges that may apply. This gives you a clear idea of what you'll be paying before checkout. If everything looks correct, the final step is to click the checkout option to continue with your purchase. From there, you can move on to completing the order. And that's how to check your cart on Dressx. As a quick tip, always review your item details and total one last time before checking out, especially if you added multiple items. It's a simple way to avoid mistakes and make your shopping experience smoother.